Hello with a double O from Octane Organics. We grow, sell and believe in all things mushrooms. Today we have a special guest, Cordyceps militaris. These mushrooms are grown in a lab in optimal conditions on a diet of brown rice mixed with nutrient enriching substrate, which is purely veg of course, no last of us happening at our HQ. From growing these beautiful mushrooms to making their labels, to getting them printed, to packaging, couriering them, and just rambling about mushrooms, we do it all at a lab. These mushrooms are great for health. They increase energy at the cellular level. They are known to boost your stamina, increase immunity, and boost testosterone levels. I can keep going on and on like this bottle about the benefits, but time कम पड़ जाएगा and as you know Instagram बड़े reels ज़्यादा promote नहीं करता है. So in case you want to try these mushrooms out or know more about them, visit our website www.octaneorganics.com. See you there.